Exponential equations can look tricky, especially when the numbers don't match up neatly. Take this one, 7 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 42. At first glance, 42 doesn't look like a power of 7, so most students get stuck right here. But Olympiad level math is not about guessing, it's about spotting the right tool. And in this case, that tool is logarithms. Let's break it down step by step. I'm going to rewrite this term as 7 to the power x multiplied by 7 to the power minus 2 is equal to 42. Or we can rewrite as 7 to the power x over 7 square is equal to 42. Therefore, 7 to the power x is equal to 42 multiplied by 7 square. Now I'm taking log on both sides so I can easily find out the value of x. So equation will be log 7 to the power x is equal to log 42 multiplied by 7 square. Now we know this equation of log. Log a to the power b is equal to b log a. So I'm gonna apply this equation here. And another equation is log a multiplied by b is equal to log a plus log b. So let's apply these two equations here. So our equation will be x log 7 is equal to log 42 plus log 7 square. Therefore, x is equal to log 42 plus 2 log 7 over log 7. Now, I'm putting log 7 in the denominator of both terms. So, equation will be log 42 over log 7 plus 2 log 7 over log 7. Now I'm gonna rewrite this 42 as 6 multiplied by 7. So equation will be log 6 multiplied by 7 over log 7 plus, let's cancel this log 7 with log 7. So it will be 2. Therefore x is equal to, let's rewrite this log 6 multiplied by 7 as log 6 plus log 7 over log 7 plus 2. Therefore, x is equal to, I'm going to put this log 7 in the denominator of both terms. So it will be log 6 over log 7 plus log 7 over log 7 plus 2. Now cancel out log 7 with log 7. So equation will be log 6 over log 7 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to, this will be 3 plus log 6 over log 7. Now we know this formula, log a over log b is equal to log a base b. Therefore, our x will be 3 plus log 6 base 7. Now, let's verify this value of x with our equation. Our equation was 7 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 42. So I'm going to put x is equal to 3 plus log 6 base 7. So it will be 7 to the power 3 plus log 6 base 7 minus 2, and on another side 42. Now we can rewrite this one as 3 minus 2 will be 1. So 1 plus log 6 base 7, and on another side 42. Now we know this a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. So we can rewrite as 7 to the power 1 multiplied by 7 to the power log 6 base 7 is equal to 42. Let's apply this log formula here. A to the power log b base a is equal to b. Therefore, equation will be 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. This term will be 42 is equal to 42. Therefore, our left hand side is equal to right hand side. And that's how we crack 7 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 42. No guessing, just smart strategy. Keep practicing and remember, think deeper, solve smarter. Goodbye, take care.